Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you another review for I have another review for Beauty Big Bang. It's the number 8 French tip brush. This brush is good to help you draw on your French tip. If you suck at it like me, oh my god, I suck at it, then this should help. But here I'm going to use Cup of Ambition from Light Elegance, and then I'm just going to start painting it on like so. So I do have a 10% off coupon code. I'm going to leave that in the description box. So be sure to check the description box and use my code. If my code gets used more than 6 times, Beauty Big Bang will host a giveaway on my channel. So be sure to use the code so we can have a giveaway. I haven't had a giveaway on my channel for a while now. So after you're done doing like I did, look at how awful I did. I don't know, I couldn't get the hang of the brush because it's like curved or whatever, but what I did was I used alcohol and I used the same brush, and then I just cleaned up the top to make my smile line. And it worked perfectly fine when I was using it like that. I don't even offer French to my clients. If it's a nail tip, yes, but if I have to paint it on, I won't do it because I suck at it. I super suck at it. I should work on that, but I just don't like doing it at all. So here I'm just going to clean up and make it as even as possible, and then I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to do my second coat, and then I'm going to clean up again, and then I'll top coat that. So like I said, if you suck at this, you can use this brush and see if it'll make it easier. And I try not to breathe because I shake a lot, and that'll give me more like stability. But all in all, I didn't do a bad job. Now what I have been using this brush for is to clean up around my cuticle area and on my sidewalls, like for when I get polish right here. I always use this brush to clean up, and it works perfectly fine for that. I'd rather use it for that than for the French. But don't forget to check the description box, and thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and use my coupon code so we can have a giveaway soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!